Why does your scanner show the P1085 engine code? What does it mean? P1085 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel control mixture. Lean bank 2, sensor 1. This engine code indicates that the engine is running too lean, not enough fuel, in the exhaust system for that specific bank of cylinders. This often triggers a check engine light and can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Intake air leaks. Faulty mass airflow sensor MAF. Crankcase ventilation system PCV. Other possible causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW vehicles, particularly those with inline 6-cylinder engines like the 325i, 530i, and X5 models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.